Since we're all stuck inside at the moment, here's a quick little Thailand story. I originally went to Thailand with a bunch of friends to shoot some content for a resort out there. We spent a week and a half playing, laughing, and eating some of the best food of our lives. However, it wasn't until after we left the resort that the nature of our trip changed and things seemed to go downhill. I smashed my head into the trunk of a taxi cab while I was loading my bag, so we had to find a pharmacy to get it bandaged up. After that, we finally hit the road to start our adventure. We ran into a lot of obstacles along the way, but the biggest was a sketchy loose bolt that made Fran's back tire wobble and slide all over the place. We found a local repairman, and thankfully, he was able to get us back up and running. That evening was when things went sideways. A massive monsoon rolled in out of nowhere and soaked us. Without cover or a place to stay, all we could do was press on.
Oh, it's wetter than a dog out here. Chilling with this homie. Woo! Back on the saddle. I don't know what they're talking about. It's just a little bit wet. Only a smidge. Oh man! What are you doing? Oh boys! Oh, how was that?
Our little roadside pit stop turned into a long waiting game, both because of rain, but also because Matthias got some of the worst food poisoning of his life, which brings us to this tiny little dungeon. It was far from ideal and most likely filled with bed bugs, so Travis and I played it safe and slept on the floor. We slept for 3 hours and woke up to finish the drive the next morning. We got there right in time for sunrise and couldn't believe our eyes. Once the other guys joined us, we found our boat captain and headed out onto the water to find the place we'd be staying. This whole area quickly blew our minds, and we had the time of our lives.
Thank you. Oh, that's dope. Yoo-hoo, boy!